What started as a domestic disturbance call quickly turned into something far more dangerous. Deputies were sent to a property in Ladysmith, Wisconsin, after a woman reported that her boyfriend had become violent and damaged her vehicle. But when the first deputy arrived, the situation was already escalating. The suspect, later identified as Jaime, was behind the wheel of a dark SUV, driving recklessly through the yard. According to the scene unfolding on Bodycam, he nearly struck the victim before speeding away from the property. Within seconds, a routine response turned into a pursuit, and deputies had to shift from handling a domestic call to stopping a fleeing vehicle before someone got seriously hurt.
Southbound, Highway 27, passing the highway shops now. Speeds are 60. 115, Rusk. Who is this subject? 115, it will be a Jaime with 109 Rusk. Do you want to notify Chippewa and have them have deputies maybe start floating up 27 near the county line? 109 Rusk, still southbound 27, just past Jensen Road. Speeds are 70. 109 to 115. Do you want me to try to get ahead of him? 115, 109, they're setting spike strips up at 270th Street and Highway 27. 115, Rusk, it looks like the vehicle was wearing all these spike strips.
As the chase moved onto Highway 27, deputies worked quickly to coordinate with nearby units. Radio traffic shows how fast the situation was developing. The SUV was moving southbound. Speeds were increasing, and officers began preparing a tire deflation device to bring the vehicle to a stop. At that point, the priority was simple: end the pursuit before it reached more traffic or another residential area. The spike strip worked, striking the front tires of the SUV and forcing the vehicle to slow down. But even after the chase ended, the danger was far from over. Deputies now had a stopped vehicle, an unpredictable suspect, and no clear idea what he might do next.
Hands out the window now! Show me your hands! Get your hands out the window! Show me your hands! Hands out the window! Driver of the vehicle! Hands out the window! Driver of the vehicle! Stick your hands out the window! Go back to your spot, man.
Do we have a triple unit with us?
Yeah, they're back there.
County 101, Chippewa is advising our guys to have the vehicle stopped.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
The moment the SUV stopped, deputies immediately treated it as a high-risk situation. Officers ordered Jaime to show his hands and keep them visible, but instead of complying, he appeared to be armed with a knife. That changed everything. A traffic stop or pursuit arrest suddenly became a standoff where one wrong move could end in tragedy. Jaime repeatedly claimed that he was panicking and said he had taken medication given to him by the victim, whether that was true or not. Officers had to deal with what was happening in front of them. A man inside a disabled vehicle, armed with a blade, refusing commands, and clearly in emotional distress.
She gave me her pills. I don't know what the I'm doing.
Okay, what's going on, man?
She gave me her Xanax and told me to chill out, and I'm freaking the out.
Okay, we can deal with it, man.
No, we can't deal with it. I'm freaking out.
We can take care of it.
No, I don't have a prescription for it. She told me I needed it.
We can have you go to a doctor, man. They can take care of it.
Freaking the out, man.
That's why we can bring you to a doctor, man. Just put the ice on it. Come on, man. We'll bring you to a doctor.
She has got no anything. Okay, we can deal with that too, man.
You guys arrested me once thinking it was on her.
I never arrested you, man. I've never arrested you.
But he did.
It's a whole new day.
And I went through court for all of it.
Okay.
And I've been behaved.
Okay, how did your court turn out?
Turned out good.
Okay, see? So this isn't
No, this is not the same. You guys will not believe me that she gave me this time.
I believe you that she gave.
No, you don't.
I do.
I think she's very well sharpened.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail for her.
Okay, I don't want to shoot you.
Yeah, you do.
No, I want you to put the knife down and come out and talk to us. I do.
I know how this works.
I don't think you do, man.
If you look in her closet or in the office, it's full of opioids.
Okay, where's her office? Is it in the house?
She told me I needed to chill out, and she slipped me one, and now I'm freaking the out.
Okay.
I don't know what the hell's going on.
I don't really know either, man. I know that you took off and we're here right now.
Yeah, I'm freaking the out.
So we can work with that, man.
No.
Yeah, we can. We can. Yep.
No, because it's always against the man.
It's not against the man.
I will put it in my head, and believe me, I know how to sharpen a knife.
Well, don't do that.
I will.
Why don't you put the knife down and come out and talk to us?
Because I'm freaking out from what she gave me.
So,
Don't get that. You put it on me last time.
so you understand that what's going on right now is probably because of the effects of what you took. It isn't because
At this
of you.
stage, deputies slowed everything down. Instead of rushing the vehicle, they tried to talk Jaime into putting the knife down and accepting medical help. The conversation shows officers using de-escalation, repeatedly telling him they did not want to hurt him and that he could be taken to a doctor. Jaime kept insisting that he did not understand what was happening, claiming he was under the influence of something and afraid he would be blamed. For deputies, the challenge was balancing two threats at once. Jaime was a danger to himself with the knife, but he had also just fled from police and was accused of nearly hitting the victim with the SUV.
But I'm freaking the you guys look like aliens right now.
Well, that's why I think it's important that we get you medically cleared, man. Get you to a doctor and have him checked out to figure out what's going on, figure out what you took.
I've needed more than that for a long time. She just slipping.
109 Rusk, we're still trying to talk to the subject. Still has the knife to his head. All officers are 10-2 as of now.
So, what is, you said opiates, what is it?
I don't have insurance. So when she thinks that I'm getting, I shouldn't even know what the I'm on right now.
I don't either. That's why I think it's important we get you medically cleared. And guess what? We'll pay for it. You don't have to worry about insurance. It does, doctor.
I've had a problem in almost 2 years. And now today she says you're being uptight, and then I turn out like this? Yeah, I'm on something. And it's scary.
Well, we can take care of that, man.
Science. I don't take drugs.
109 Rusk, suspect is hanging out of the driver's side rear window with the knife to his head. Can you get in 254 and send them south and have them stage once they get eyes on our lights?
So, let's start over a little bit, man. What's your first name? My name is Matt. You can call me Matt, okay? What's your...
The standoff became even more unstable when Jaime dropped one knife, but then began reaching around inside the vehicle. Deputies immediately recognized that the threat had not ended. Moments later, they reported that he appeared to have another sharp object, possibly a straight razor blade. That detail mattered because it showed officers could not safely approach him yet. Jaime was still talking, still refusing to fully comply, and still making statements about harming himself. Every second created pressure on the deputies to act, but moving too soon could have made the situation worse. Their next decision had to be careful, coordinated, and controlled.
Ow. 3 times, and I have another one of those.
109 Rusk, subject has dropped the knife out of the vehicle. He's reaching around in the vehicle now.
You're on Highway 27 right by
I
Holcomb.
don't know how I got here in this vehicle.
Well, you drove here. I followed you. He's reaching in for another one.
Yep. 109 Rusk, he's got looks like a straight razor blade to his now.
Why is that?
I can tell you things that you never imagined
Why don't we talk about it?
because you're lying is to get me to not kill myself.
I'm not lying.
Yeah, you are.
I wouldn't lie to you, man. I don't lie. That's not a good way to do business.
And you can settle the down. I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm trying to talk to you guys.
I'm talking to you.
Well, he's sitting there sniping. This guy's gonna handle it.
No, we're in Chippewa County, so Chippewa deputies have to come.
After nearly 20 minutes of trying to negotiate, deputies started discussing a safer way to take Jaime into custody. The plan involved less lethal options, a shield, and the possibility of using a K9 if he refused to exit the vehicle. This was not just about forcing compliance. Officers were trying to create a plan that protected everyone on scene, including Jaime. The warning about the dog was meant to give him one more chance to surrender without being bitten or tackled. But Jaime continued to insist he had done nothing wrong, while officers remained focused on the knife, the vehicle, and the risk of him reaching for another weapon.
Brandon, they have less weed.
Not gonna end good.
Come on, just drop it, and we'll get you help.
Time number 3, you've done this to me.
We'll get you help.
I don't need the help. He needs the help.
You guys have a dog.
I am the calmest guy ever. Calmest guy ever.
As you see, I don't got a gun out right now. I'm not pointing a gun at you. I'm just trying to talk. I know, and I appreciate that. And I just, like I said, I want to talk to you man to man, and that's all I'm here for.
I'm not here to hurt you guys.
And we appreciate that.
Freaking the f*** out. I don't like the hell I'm even up. Why do you guys have it? We're going to get...
Come on, we're gonna get you help now, man.
I don't even know where I'm at.
We're gonna get you help.
Hey, are you okay, man?
Everybody good?
We're good. Are you okay? Are you doing okay, man?
Hold on a second.
No, I don't know where you're at.
Well, we will. Okay? That's what we were trying to tell you, my sister. Okay? But we can't do it on the side of the road with you with a knife in your hand.
I'm getting in trouble. I didn't ever do anything wrong.
All right, I'm gonna wrap your hand up, man, because you're bleeding pretty good. All right?
The standoff finally ended after officers moved in and took Jaime into custody. Even after the struggle, deputies immediately shifted back to medical care, checking whether he was hurt and wrapping his bleeding hand. That part is important because it shows how quickly the situation moved from confrontation to treatment. Officers had spent the entire standoff trying to convince him to accept help, but they could not safely do that until the knife threat was controlled. Afterward, Jaime was taken to the hospital for a legal blood draw. His blood alcohol level later came back above the legal limit, adding another layer to what had already been a dangerous domestic incident.
So there wasn't a dog with him.
My dog.
So there wasn't a dog in the vehicle and there wasn't a dog with him.
No, I just drove the whole highway looking great.
It appeared when I pulled in, it appeared like he was trying to run you over.
I know.
So you were standing
right
right there.
I was standing here, and I was trying to call you guys, and he's like, I'm on probation, don't you dare call the cops. I didn't know you guys were going to show up that quick, and sure as came at me with the truck, and I couldn't find my dog at that point. I can see, like, the mud, and then you guys pulled up, and that's when he was like, oh, because he knew. And that's why he was trying to run me over, because I told him, I was like, you went too far, I'm calling.
Okay, like physically putting his hands on your throat? Okay.
And so I just punched him in his nuts.
Okay.
And he got off of me, and he looked at me, he goes, you better not call, and he punched the back of my car. Yeah, just knocked the whole thing out,
okay.
And I was like, oh God.
Back at the property, the victim explained what she said happened before deputies arrived. She told officers that Jaime had been angry, damaged her vehicle, put his hands on her throat, and then drove toward her when she tried to call for help. Deputies also documented tire marks and vehicle damage as part of the investigation. In the end, Jaime faced multiple charges connected to the chase, the domestic incident, and resisting officers. Some charges were later dismissed, but he was found guilty of fleeing an officer and criminal damage to property. His sentence was withheld, and he was placed on 3 years of probation. What began as a domestic call ended as a pursuit, armed standoff, and criminal case.